MCQs are frequently asked in exams. Can you score 10 by 10? Try this. Question 1. Which nerve root is most commonly affected in lumbar disc prolapse? Options A. L2 L3, B. L3 L4, C. L4 L5, D. L5 S1. D. L5 S1, most common level due to mechanical stress. Second, which type of contraction produces maximum muscle tension? Options are A. Concentric, B. Isometric, C. Eccentric, D. Isokinetic. C. Eccentric. मसल्स को लेंथन करता है अंडर लोड और इसी वजह से यहाँ हाईएस्ट फोर्स जनरेट होता है. Third, which modality has the greatest depth of penetration? Options TANS, B. IFT, C. Ultrasound 1 MHz, D. SWT. D. SWT. Produce deep heating via electromagnetic waves. Fourth, which test is most specific for meniscal tear? Options Lachman test, B. McMurray test, C. Anterior drawer test, D. Valgus stress test. D. McMurray test. Fifth, which condition presents with claw hand deformity? Options are median nerve injury, B. Radial nerve injury, C. Ulnar nerve injury, D. Axillary nerve injury. C. Ulnar nerve injury. Loss of intrinsic hand muscles that will cause claw hand deformity. Sixth, which joint follows convex concave rule during shoulder abduction? Options are humerus rolls superior and glide inferior, B. Humerus rolls inferior and glides superior, C. Both same direction, D. No movement. A. Humerus rolls superior and glides inferior. Convex humeral head moves on concave glenoid. 7. Which gait abnormality is seen in dorsiflexion weakness? Options A. Antalgic gait, B. Trendelenburg gait, C. Steppage gait, D. Caesar gait. C. Steppage gait. यहाँ हाई स्टेपेज होता है ताकि पेशेंट अवॉइड करे ड्रैगिंग ऑफ फुट. 8. Which parameter is increased in acute inflammation? A. Blood flow, B. Tissue temperature, C. Capillary permeability, D. All of the above. D. All of the above. ये सारे ही क्लासिक इन्फ्लेमेटरी रिस्पॉन्स है. 9th, which principle is used in traction therapy? A. Ohm's law, B. Newton's law, C. Hooke's law, D. Bolle's law. D. Hooke's law. They show elongation proportional to applied force. 10th, which condition shows spasticity? Options are lower motor neuron lesion, B. Upper motor neuron lesion, C. Peripheral nerve injury, D. Myopathy. B. Upper motor neuron lesions. Spasticity में टोन एंड रिफ्लेक्सेस इंक्रीज हो जाते हैं. 7+ आप एग्जाम्स के लिए रेडी हो. 8+ it's topper level. Less than 7, don't worry, we will practice together. Let me see your score out of 10.